Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into a question I know so many of us have asked. How can I get rid of belly fat? So, if you're ready to learn what really works based on science, keep watching. First, let's get one thing straight. There's no magic trick for melting belly fat overnight. But there are proven strategies that can help you burn fat in a way that's realistic and sustainable. And science backs these up. Number 1. Focus on a calorie deficit. Let's start with the basics. To lose fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit. That means burning more calories than you're taking in. But here's the key. Don't just crash diet. Studies show that gradual weight loss of about 1 to 2 pounds per week is the most sustainable. It's not just about eating less. It's about eating smart. Focus on whole foods like veggies, lean protein, and whole grains. These keep you full longer and provide the energy you need without spiking blood sugar. Number 2. Protein is your friend. Speaking of protein, it's incredibly important for fat loss. Protein not only helps you feel full, but it also has a high thermic effect. This means your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fat. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal like eggs, fish, or beans. Research suggests that diets higher in protein can help reduce belly fat more effectively over time. Number 3. Add resistance training. Now, onto exercise. Cardio is great, but if you really want to target that belly fat, consider adding strength or resistance training. Lifting weights or doing body weight exercises can help you build muscle. And the more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, meaning you'll burn more calories even when you're not working out. Number 4. Get your sleep. Believe it or not, sleep plays a huge role in fat loss. Studies have shown that people who don't get enough quality sleep are more likely to gain weight, especially around their midsection. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Quality sleep helps regulate hormones like cortisol and insulin, which both impact belly fat. Lastly, number 5. Be patient and consistent. This is probably the hardest one. Patience. Sustainable fat loss takes time. There will be ups and downs, but consistency is what really matters. Stick with the basics. A balanced diet, strength training, and good sleep. Over time, these changes will add up. And that's it for today's video. Remember, these tips are backed by science, but it's all about making them work for you. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to get rid of belly fats. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.